is me.
Well, hello to you. I have Jessie out,
And this is me.
Australia Day, and one
This is me.
of our Australian snakes, pythons, I should say, not snakes, but they're snakes. This is Jessie, my jungle carpet python. He has been extremely...
Mine.
What has he been?
Mine.
Yours.
Yeah.
And of course spending it with my grandchildren. And this is Chase. And Noah is here also. So the boys have come up for a few days to stay. How many sleeps? 5.
Yeah, 5 days.
5 days. So we're going to have lots of fun.
Yeah.
And
And this is me, Jessie, because I had a really big kid. I was
right. And
and then me, my father so much and my dad, because my dad not listen me. Does not like toys, does not listen.
doesn't listen to you.
Yeah.
But Jessie listens, doesn't he? Yep.
And me listen.
Do you like Jessie?
Yes.
Are you afraid of Jessie?
No.
How old are you? 4.
6.
4.
16.
You're not 16.
Yes.
No, you're 4.
I'm not 4 now. I'm 16 now.
You're 5.
Yeah. Right.
5.
Yeah.
He might be 5. Nana forgets the ages of and birthdays.
And me pat
And-
Jessie.
Yes, you pat Jessie too, don't you? You pat him very gently. And Jessie is either staying still because he's... Do I move? Like, I don't know what I do. But literally, I've been out here for a good 10 minutes and Jessie has not moved. Not even slightly moved. He's kind of got himself in that position and he hasn't moved. So Jimmy, I believe, is getting somebody out, whether that, I think probably Kodi, maybe Kodi. Has come to join
Down next to me.
Jessie, and here
Hey,
is,
Jessie.
this is Kodi.
Hi, Kodi.
So he's well, he's willing to explore a bit more than what Jessie is. Jessie has chosen to
Put them on my arm.
freeze.
Please put them on my arm, please. Put them on my arm.
Yeah, well, I'll put Kodi on you in a minute, darling.
No.
Just see where he's gonna go at this stage. Jessie, see what Kodi's doing? Can you see what he's doing over there? Why aren't you doing the same? Hey, at least I can get some close-ups of you, which makes a nice change because normally you never stay still enough for me to do this. So I guess I shouldn't complain.
What? No, pull him
Jungles
out. No, pull him
are
out.
certainly
Oh, snake, I
beautiful. You know, normally you would come out and you would be everywhere and anywhere. Would you not? Hey? You're just having a bit of a lazy day. It's much later in the afternoon, so, you know, it's not hot out here. Probably that little bit of humidity, but nothing too bad. So actually quite mild and nice time to get the snakes out. Any earlier, it is just way too hot to have them out. And be very mindful of that in the hotter times of the year, to not bring the snake out, you know, midday. Here in Bundaberg area, you know, anything after 10 o'clock and before 4 o'clock in the afternoon is literally impossible to bring your snakes out here. Even in the shade, the air is hot, everything is hot. So, you know, that early morning time is brilliant because it hasn't quite warmed up yet. And of course, after the 4-5 o'clock when the sun has started going down is brilliant. And I'm moving a bit because I'm shooing mozzies away and I get eaten alive. And especially at this time of the night, the mozzies are tending to come in. So I wish that Jessie would decide to do something other than lay there like a lump of wood. He is. Do you want to get Jessie moving for me? Or you're going to check out what's up there? Anything interesting? Kodi is the coastal carpet python. He is 4 years old now. So, you know, he's coming into his maturity, though he's still a bit of a dillbilly at times, still learning things as he goes along. If you think you stay still, nobody can see you or nothing can get you, I really don't know. But, oh, there was a slight little, did you hear me say that? Huh? Slight little head movement, but nothing too amazing there from Jessie. But yeah, just, you know, summertime, too hot to be out here, and then we get to this time of the night and I don't want to be out here because the mozzies are in. So it's, yeah, I know Jessie would need to go to the toilet, but he's, yeah, not making any effort, and I might have to actually physically lift him a bit and get him going. Kodi, of course, is Mr. Vigilant man over there. Look, Kodi is making sure that nothing is going to come and get you. You know, he's up high, well, not totally high. Some, you know, some snakes will periscope way up there, and some snakes stay lower to the ground, and it's, you know, not probably because they can't do that, you know, get themselves up quite high. They can, but I have noticed that some do and some don't. Jessie can, of course, get himself up quite high. Lily can literally come up to my shoulders if she actually wanted to. But yeah, some just travel lower to the ground and keep themselves lower to the ground. Males, possibly even too, compared to the females, I've noticed are a bit like that. So the why and the reason that is, I really have no idea. But Jessie, I am being eaten alive. So anyway, this is just Australia Day. Remember, in summer don't take your snakes out in the heat of the day. Wait till it gets a little bit cooler, and yeah. And of course, watch out for the mosquitoes. So I'm going to love and leave you. Take care. And ciao.